rivers and mountains, grasslands and deserts, everything in the world changes like the stars vary in positions. As time goes by, urban mineral mountains have been piled up. It's time to protect the environment. Since the Industrial Revolution, the exploited natural resources have been piled up around the people, mainly in the form of urban minerals. With strategic significance, the recycling of e-waste becomes a newly emerging strategic industry, emphatically supported by NDRC, MIIT, MEPMT. In 2012, during the state visit to Belgium, Prime Minister Li Keqiang pointed out that China should put emphasis on e-waste recycling, as it is vital to accelerating the construction of resource-efficient and environment-friendly society. In 2013, when visiting the e-waste enterprises, President Xi Jinping pointed out that the recycling of waste, which turns trash into treasure, is a sunrise industry. Globally speaking, during the 2016 Rio and the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games, medals were and will be made using the metal extracted from discarded cell phones, helping to arouse the public's attention to e-waste recycling. Due to the late start of the e-waste recycling industry in China, both the management level and recycling technology need to be improved. Shanghai foresightedly puts forward a strategic layout for the development of e-waste recycling industry in response to the call for ecological construction. As the first team entering into the field of e-waste recycling in China, we take actions immediately. In 2012, Shanghai Polytechnic University cooperated with the domestic and foreign forces to build Shanghai Electronic Waste Recycling Collaborative Innovation Center. After 5 years' development, a collaborative innovation system has been successfully formed, integrating talent aggregation and training, technological innovation, and discipline construction. According to the Constitution, our center implements the Director Responsibility System under the leadership of the Council, and a committee of experts is organized to guide the collaborative innovation work. The expert committee is responsible for leading and participating in research and development work. Over 100 researchers collaborate together in different fields to overcome the difficulties and acquire remarkable achievements. We have provided decision-making consultations, standard setting, and monographic study support to government departments many times, and played an active role in the national top designs in relevant areas. In 2017, the State Council initiated the second national census of pollution sources. Our center was entrusted to undertake the major research tasks in specific industries. As members of the CPPCC National Committee of Shanghai, 2 directors of the center submitted the proposal of promoting the transformation and upgrading of electronic waste recycling at the conference, and then the proposal was adopted. As the close partner of Shanghai Solid Waste Management Center, our center offers consultation service regarding the standardized development of e-waste recycling enterprises in Shanghai. As the Deputy Director Unit of Shanghai Remanufacturing Industry Alliance, our center was entrusted by the Municipal Commission of Economy and Information Technology to compile the construction scheme of Shanghai Lingang Remanufacturing Industrial Base. During the 13th five-year plan period, our center has collaborated with the National Engineering Center for Solid Waste Recycling, Research Center for Eco-Environmental Sciences at the Chinese Academy of Science and etc. to set up a demonstration project of Venus industry to comprehensively utilize the urban minerals in Taizhou. In order to promote industry information sharing, our center releases industry newsletters quarterly, covering the policy management at home and abroad, industry trends, center construction, and so on. In the past 5 years, we have made dramatic breakthroughs with collaborative efforts focusing on industry cores and common key technical problems. 7 production lines have been formed and applied in the industry till now. Production line of the innocuous treatment of mercury lamps, production line of the treatment of waste toner cartridges, outfit of metal recycling from waste circuit boards with microbiological methods, outfit of the innocuous treatment of non-metallic materials in waste circuit boards, automatic dismantling line of waste flat panel display devices, automatic dismantling line of waste circuit board components, technology and equipment of waste CRT recycling. Meanwhile, our center has integrated industry research and development forces and set up 47 special open development funds for e-waste recycling, cooperating with 30 research institutes and enterprises all over the country. We have made 68 scientific research achievements. To serve the special needs of the country, we foster masters of engineering with industrial background to fill the gap of industrial talents. Nearly 90% of the graduates have entered into the environmental protection industry to serve the special needs of the state. The center shares its experience in the field of e-waste recycling worldwide and cooperates with STEP Institution of United Nations University to hold an international e-waste recycling training for young scientists. The center also hosts exchange visits of university students and enterprise employees from Germany, France, Brazil, and so on. More than 50 overseas young scholars from nearly 20 countries have been trained here. All of the above performances reshape China's international image in world's e-waste recycling field. Meanwhile, our center also provides learning opportunities in Europe and Australia to SSPU students and employs more than 10 foreign experts to teach our postgraduates. We jointly launched the Strategic Alliance for Technological Innovation of E-Waste Recycling Industry and organized the training courses on the processing technology of waste electrical and electronic products. Our center attaches importance to extensive communication and cooperation with both domestic and overseas research institutions, trade associations, and enterprises. Over 150 famous experts from home and abroad have been invited to our center for academic exchanges. At the same time, we have organized outstanding projects to participate in various exhibitions over 20 times and cooperate with enterprises to establish the joint laboratories. By means of extensive collaboration, our project research progress and working trends have attached widespread attention in the industry and have been deeply reported by both domestic and foreign media for many times. Venus Industry is the treasure of wisdom in the new era. Thanks to the heartfelt cultivation by SMEC, we roll up our sleeves with firm conviction to work with added energy and have achieved 2 leaps. In October 2016, E-Waste Recycling Branch Center of National Engineering Research Center for Solid Waste Recycling was set up to better lead the industrial development. In April 2017, under the lead of the Strategic Alliance for Technological Innovation of Renewable Resources Industry in China, we built the joint innovation platform for the recycling of waste electrical and electronic products. With the approval of the Ministry of Environmental Protection, the center has established the first national training base for environmental protection. Till now, we have realized the first leap from serving the local area to getting on the national platform. In In January 2017, we joined the STEP institution of United Nations University. In April, one of our center experts was elected as a member of its supervisory committee and became the only expert member in China. Therefore, we voice our opinions on behalf of the country in the e-waste recycling field and accumulate rich experience of international communication, which contributes to the realization of the second leap from the national stage to the international platform. The great beauty of the universe is obvious with no need to show off. Our center has been in the lead all over the country, remaining the original mission in mind. Our center will continue to aim at the industry major needs and endeavor to construct an international advanced collaborative innovation center of e-waste recycling in order to support the transformation, upgrading, and sustainable development of the e-waste recycling industry in China, and promote the construction of beautiful China and ecological civilization.